Good morning, everyone. It's me again. So today we're going to do something in Book Creator, and I wanted to do this as a learner, and as a teacher, because I find that when the learner signs in as a teacher, the learner has more access to different things in Book Creator. But let's first get to Book Creator. I want you to go to your search bar. Okay, you click on Google and we're going to search for Book Creator. The first one that comes up, I want you to click on it. Right, so here we have to sign in. Now bear in mind, when you sign in, try not to sign in with different usernames and passwords when you sign into different things. Always try to sign in, if the option is available, to sign in via your Gmail account. So I'm going to click on sign in, and here it's going to give me two options: student sign in or teacher sign in. I want to sign in as a teacher. Like I said, signing in as a student would mean that you would have to get a library card number or something like that. So I would prefer that as a student or as a teacher, please sign in as a teacher. Right. Then I'm going to sign in Google or sign in with Google. And then I'm going to click on my email address or the one that I've been using, and there we go. And now we're going to create our own book. So remember, if our learners also create books, they are able to publish it if they want to. They are also able to just take the link of the book and share it with a teacher if they do not want to publish it. Right, I'm going to click on new book, and I want to create a book with let's try comic. I'll try square comic. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this plus sign, adds an item. So I can add a speech bubble, I can add text, I can add stickers. So at the moment, let us first add panels. No, let us first add a text. And I'm going to choose this one over here. And once you've chosen, you put in, and I'm going to make this a text. Or let's make it dummy, because we know this is going to be our dummy, our dummy book. Done. So now if you look at this, it is very, very small. When I click on this text box, sorry, right, because I'm in the text box still, if I click on information, here I can make my text bigger. So let's make it just that big. And here I can change the font of my text. So let's change it to what I like to use for comics would be bangers, or let's do Creepster. Let's do Creepster. There we go. Okay, and then I want you to go back to that button over there. We can even make the background a different color, but let's just extend this quickly. So let's make the background a pale yellow. What did I do? The font or the background? I would like to make this red actually. Yeah. Okay. So just go back there. I want to go to background of the text box, and let's make the background a pale yellow. or green? What looks better? Green. Yeah. Okay. So let's just make this bigger. Go back again. I want my text to be in the middle. So I'm clicking on the middle over here, center. Right. There is my dummy. And now what do I want to add here still? Let's click on media. And we want to import something. Let's import a picture. If I import a picture, I'm looking for funny character. Okay. So it takes you straight to Google search engine, and then you can actually just take a picture here. Let's see. Let's have some fun here. What can we choose? I think okay, let's just choose this one over here. And so once it's been chosen, it will go into your page, and this will be your cover page. Okay, and now obviously this has covered the text completely, so I'm going to make it a bit smaller, and I'm going to situate it over here. And there we go. But what I also want to do is I want to add a speech bubble. So let's add a speech bubble. And a speech bubble doesn't have to be this big. We can also make it smaller. Okay. And we can make this over here a bit smaller. And then let's just place it over here. And I can turn it so it can come from this mouth over here. And on my speech, I would say this is fun. Let's say that. Right. So there I've got my cover. And now what I want to do is go next. So if you look at your arrow on the right side, I want you to click next. Now you can check it out. Click next. And now I'm going to add some more things. Let's add a sticker. Let's see what kind of stickers we have here. I'm going to choose bang. There we go. And so I will choose I'll choose a text. I'll choose media again, and I'm going to import, and let's look for explosives. That one over there. Let's make this way smaller. Like that. And we'll move it over here. And I'm going to go to import again, and I'm going to look for the picture with a boy. Choosing that one. I can then do that. And let's put our boy over here because he's running away from the explosive. Okay, and then let's just add a thought bubble. Make it smaller. Put it over here. A little bit more. And move this to his head over here. And right here I'm going to say try to get out of here. And let's just move this a bit up. Here we go. And we can continue with our story. You can add normal text. You can add shapes. Let's go to shapes. I can add a shape over there and go to something else. I can add some panels. Let's add these panels over here. And in my panel, I can also add another picture. And let's add comic pictures. Let's see what we can find in Google. Right. Okay, this looks cool. And we'll click on that. Remember, I have absolutely no story at the moment. And obviously when you are going to do this, you're going to have some kind of storyline. I'm just showing you how to use different things. And then this one over here, I'll have comic again. Let's use the monkey. Just had to use the monkey, man. And then I have another one. And I'll do comic again. This is a very nice tool for your learners. I mean, all kids will have fun with this from grade 1 to grade 12. I think they will have absolute fun. And if once you have done a novel with, say for instance, as older kids, and you've done a novel with them, and you want them to actually give you a summary of the setting, or you want them to give you a summary of the actual book, and give you the 5 elements of a story, it is very helpful for them to put it all in one little book online using Book Creator. They will find it fun playing around with this. Okay, so I have my little pictures here, and here we go. So what I want to do now is I would like to finish this. So I'm going to add another text. And then use this over here. Amazing. Okay. So now, what do I do? So once you have completed this, you go to this play button over here. And remember, we are at the end of the book. Okay. But let us, before we go to the play button, let us just go back quickly to what I have. Right. And then I'm going to click on play, and this is how your book will look. You will page your book in this way. Next page, right? Now, if you look at the